should equal to this department ID. Okay? Because basically, whenever you want to join, you have to join in primary key and foreign key. This is in principle. So we join from employee E, join employee D on E.department ID. This department ID should equal to this department ID. Then after joining these, it means that as we're creating a larger table with all these attributes and all these attributes. So the number of columns with the new joined table here will be all this plus all this minus 1, because the minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, because this repeated, and drop this to repeated 2 times. And then after that, after the join, we use order by, as I told you. We order by date, higher date, ascending, and then we should fetch first 5. The general formula is fetch first and rows only. So we fetch first 5 rows only. We take the first 5 rows and then we execute this query as done. I hope it's clear. You join based on department ID and department primary key here, foreign key here. Then you order by some attribute, column name, ascending. Then you fetch first 5 rows, 10 rows, or whatever. This is for the second equation. For the third equation, is display for each department, for each, all departments. Department name, city, country. The result should be sorted alphabetically by country name and city. We have to take care here. Should be sorted alphabetically by country name and city. Let's come back here to the question. So display for each department. For each department here, we want department name, this department name, department city. Where we can find the department city, it is here in the location table, right? And country, the country name is not here. The country name is here. Interesting, this exercise. So look here. Here we want information at the same time from 4 tables. From 3 tables. Department, department, location for the city to get city, department name from here, city from here, and country name from here. So we have to do join. This should equal ID of this department should equal to first of all, this location here should be location ID here. We join this by that. Okay, because this is the only common attribute. And then we join the country ID with this country ID. So whenever you join, as if you are making all these 3 tables as a one table. So you do select on all of them. To do so, we have to select department name, select D dot department name. This is the alias. L dot city or L dot city location. It's alias of locations. And we want also what? Country. Country C is an alias. C dot C country name here. So here city L dot city. Here C dot name, and here D dot department name. Okay, we specified alias. So from what? From this table join with this, and this join with this. Okay, so from departments D join what? Locations L join C countries C, sorry, on what? On the primary keys and foreign keys. So on first of all. D on, join C on. He started from here or from here, it's the same. So on L on D dot location. He started from from department. So D, which is department dot location ID, equals L dot location ID. It's here. Okay. And join countries. Then the first join is he did each one separate. So he did department with location. You use complete join. So from department D, join location L on D dot location ID equal L dot location ID. Here we've done this. Then we have to do the second join from here to here, from here to there. So join countries C now, because we already joined this with that. Now join C on what? On L locations dot city dot country ID here should equal what? Should equal C dot country ID. Then remember, sort alphabetically by country name and city. So order by C dot country name here, C, and L dot city. We are done. Okay. So this is clear. Second exercise. Display the first name, last name. Display display first name, last name. First name, last name, hire date here. We are in employee. Department name here. So we need to this and that for now of employees who work in Germany. So country here. Wow. So we have to join this with that, this with that, and this with that. So in this case, he's not asking about information from here, but we can't arrive to country name without joining this department with this, because there is no way directly to the between department and countries, right? So there is no direct. So you have to join this with that, this with that, this with that. 4 joins. we have to do to arrive to the country name. So he's asking about first name, last name, hire date, department name, and from this table country name, which is Germany. So how to do so? It's really easy. You have to join all IPs where you say finally select, or where country name equal to Germany. So question 4, let's do it together. Remember, first of all, you should use who work in Germany. So you should precise everything here where country name is Germany. Then you join. So you create here all rows. You should find all rows here with country name equal to Germany. This, imagine 5 rows. These 5 rows should be joined with all together. Then you choose what? First name, last name, hire date. So this is where we call filtering here. First of all, you find Germany, rows that contains Germany as country name. Then you join the result with others. So how can we do that? First, select. First of all, you should always think about alias. Employee E, department D, location L, country C, region R, jobs J, okay? And so on and so forth. So select E dot first name, employee dot first name, E dot last name here, E dot hire date, all these attributes from where? From table employee, right? So E dot hire date. Then we want what? From D we want D dot department name, D dot department name. We all these who work in Germany, this is filter. Okay, so we are done in the select part here. From employees DE, we should join employees with what? Should join employees E with department D, right? So from employees E, join department